Pan coach hi anh sẽ xin tiểu ít tiếp theo mà em hàng ngày tôi xin lóc tiểu đây lòng té Pankaj is taller than Vinod, and Vinod is shorter than Pramod. Hey, puti trong kam rei reng ron man chuan a hma che hming ang kha kan dak zel ang hai. Pankaj is taller than Vinod, tiro, and Vinod is shorter than Pramod. Usha is taller than Priyanka. Usha is taller than Priyanka but shorter than Vinod. Pramod is shorter than Pankaj. Pramod is shorter than Pankaj. Oh, D Pankaj Rantya. Pramod is shorter than Pankaj. Pramod is shorter than Pankaj. Who is the tallest? Hey, he can siam rimangai tani. Hey, Vinod kan ne tiro. Emi te pathum hi chu Vinod, Usha, Priyanka lo phota a. Chuan hemi te Vinod aya sang pahni an oma. Hemi te pahni a hian Pankaj ala sang le atiro. Vinod chung che a Pramod hi omanga. Chuan Pramod is taller than Pankaj at wangin sang bira Pankaj karon omei donani. Then Pankaj. Kan lak khom thiam kan ngai tua na kan sen thiam ve deuh angai. Chen chu tiang ang hi ti dik lo ol ve lu tu mo ho mel de si. Option D Pankaj tallest. Number 14. Among R, L, T, and J, each having different weights, T is heavier than only L. R is not as heavy as J. Who is the heaviest? Mi palito niya. It was why.
J.
Mo. B mo. J. J. T is heavier than only L ni. One. T is heavier than only L ni. Pero L hi lightest ani do na lightest. So one T hi second lightest ani nga. R is not as heavy as J. R hi J angin arit velo ni so J hi arit zok ti na niya. So hemi te noaya hian tu ma anom thei to lo wangin an chu man om ning nge yang. So option D, option B, J is the heaviest. 7 people P, Q, R, S, T, U, and V are seated in ascending order of their ages. They are 18 years, 21 years, 23, 28, 30, 35, 40, but not necessarily in the same order. U is elder than, V is elder than U and S. Hian mo, tiang angani chuan. Oh, indu tu ta yin ti thei thau ta. V is elder than U and S. Tiro ma se U le S hang khu zong e upa kan she chuang lawa. V is older than P. V is older than P. PI po na upa a. Chuan and he is not the eldest person. Eldest ani lo wangin eta hian I pakhatal chun la om le ngai tiro. P is elder than U. P is elder than U. Hemi pathum te zi nga hian P hi chu U in alian a upa thau thau ta a. The person who is the second elder is 35 years old, while the third youngest candidate among them is 23 years old. Ei chu thil chiang sa akuman ron soi chang hian a chiang sa reng hemi sentence chu chang kai lo. T is younger than U. T is younger than U. T is younger than U ani chuan tinge kan chang. T is younger than U tiro. Chuan but older than S. Ti hian ron om don ta a. Chuan R is 18 years old. S is not the youngest. Ani chuan in tinge kan rem ta kan he hi chu descending order in ka rem thaw ani kina atopa ascending pon kan na rem le thei thaw tam mo ni chu. R is 18 years old ani chuan R hi atopera ta photang descending in ka rem lak lo to. R hi ate bera tiro khat mi engzangin om pasari khat ni thum li nga sari mi pasarin oma chuan V hnuaiah hian engzat nge om tunah hian V hnuaiah hian USB le T ten oma tiro USB le T te hei heng hi chu chiar nu ngai lo USB ti vel de kan ni thau ta USB le T mi pali talan om ta tiro R hi chu soipon soi ri chuang lo ta ani chuan 1 2 3 4 heta hian V om nge angai chuan USB le T te hi heng hawa hian kan rem anga ya USB le T te kan rem anga chuan enge asang ber tur hi ngai to photang asang ber tur chu kan la ja velo chu Q ania tro Q ania chuanin hei hi P is greater than U hnuaiah T le S an oma heti hian P heti hian kan ziak them adata kan la khomanga P U T S Q V P U T S R angi kan jak the e kan hu chwa ka achan chu descending order ka ja phot achan chu V is elder than U he hetia han ja mai kha ol samawangin e ka zia ka hei ti swal te a ol lo de hlep ta chuan ei descending in kan ascending in kan rem le theya tinga kan remang R S T U P V Q tro chuan R hi 18 years old S 21 years old 23 28 30 35 40 hei hin kum tu chu lo ni ta a kan shi tia mim zo na omim question the answer okay so chwa chu lo ni ta se question 2 who is the eldest Q tro excuse me option C who is the fifth eldest first second third fourth fifth sixth first second third fourth fifth D option A in a job vacancy it is mentioned that the one whose age is between 21 and 30 le 30 then an apply ma say both ages are excluded emite pahihin excluda anin car inita tiro can apply who can apply for the job T le U then an apply the both T and U option B 6 students, Parul, Queen, Rohit, Sudha, Tisha, and Vinay are the top 6 rankers in the class. No two persons got the same rank. The student who got the highest mark is given rank 1, and the student who got the least mark is given rank 6. Tisha got less mark than both Vinay and Parul. Rank 1 at rank 6 of the two. First rank, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth hian in nagmutsaber dona. Chuan rank in ang nei pakhat man lova, the student who got the highest mark is given Tisha got less mark than both Vinay and Parul. Only ti chong ka mang lo tiro, Tisha got less mark than both Vinay and Parul. Tisha hi Vinay le Parul ayin ahmutle matia. Only Vinay and Parul ati lo wangin. Tisha ihang kanjak patang got less than both Vinay and Parul. Vinay and Parul a khoi zong nge mutama mutlem po kan she chuang lao. Chuan Rohit got more marks than Queen. Rohit got more marks than Queen, but less than Sudha. Nilepot se Tisha got the second least rank. Eta hian kan jak thei te ta second least rank ani chuan eta hian Tisha kan fix ang. Tisha and Parul got the second highest rank. Eta hian Parul kan fix ang. Oh. Chuan Vinay got less mark than Rohit. Vinay got less mark than Rohit. Lehemi kan nei tang ha impinge kan remang. Tisha ichunga Parul le Vinay ten omatiro. Vinay omthei na lai chu 1 2 3 first third le fourth ani ta a. Ta hian Vinay omtheya. Vinay kha omthei ta a. Chuan hi chu lo cross out put ta ila. Sudha Rohit Queen hi engtinge kan remang. Sudha Rohit Queen chuan Rohit hnuaia Vinay omangai tiro. Chumi omzia chu Vinay chunga Rohit omdona chung chia nge hnuai chia po chu kan shelawa. Hemi first na hi chu Vinay chu ni lo don chiang ta a. Vinay achunga Rohit chumi chung le a Sudha. Ani chuan engtinge kan siam ta kang. Vinay chunga Rohit oma, Rohit chunga Sudha oma. Ani chuan third position pole luat hei lova. Eta hian kan zia kang. Kan zia na chan chu first le third chu kan eliminate to a. 6 phei chu a thei lo chan chu Tisha chunga Vinay oma ngai tho si a. Chuan Vinay chunga khan mi pahnih te chu Rohit le Sudha te tiro. Rohit le Sudha chuan tunge bang Queen. Kan she tiam em. Sudha, Parul, Rohit, Vinay, Tisha, Queen. Sudha, Parul, Rohit, Vinay, Tisha, Queen. Chuan, who got the highest mark in the class? Sudha. Option C. Number 19, what is the rank of Vinay in the class? 4th. Option D. Chuan, in a class of 35, hi chu dang le dai. In a class of 35 students, Tutalanya Ameya's rank is 6th from the top. Annie is 7 ranks below Ameya. What is Annie's rank from the bottom? Tingnan kanti ang 35 law ta se tro. Hi first. Hi last. Nakalo ni ta Ameya's rank is 6 and it's one. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. 6 from the top. Any Ameya. Any is 7 ranks below Ameya. Ameya achanga apasari na a. Any oma 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 ranks. And it's one. Tahian any oma. What is any's rank from the bottom? Any's rank hemihi from the bottom. Bottom achang considered exat ngin tang. And it's one top achangin exat ngin 6 tanyatiro Ameya hi. 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th, 13th from the top anita. He in buaideu chinen ni chuanin tihangai ta ulamo. Som pathum na ani chuan ahma mi som pahnin omanga tiro. Som pathum na ni chuan ahma mi som pahnin omanga 35 students a ahma mi som pahnin om chuan ahnung zonga changa kan chiarin hemi kan pai mai chuan from the bottom up position kha aron chuang ha mai. 23 hey ama kan add le angai ti vel anga kha buaipui te langai yaw hetai chuan mo ama ami som pahnian oma ama hi chu hitihan omta ahnung lama engzat nge omang kan sha du chuan avai in 35 ania ama mi te zong kan pai chuan ahnung a omzat kan sha nga ami kha a position chu ran ni nga me don ani. Option D.